In this video, we're going to talk about how to change the units in your design. So over here in your browser, you're going to expand the document settings, and you'll see that the units right now for me are in inches. Usually they're in millimeters, but if we click this piece of paper, this little paper icon, we click that, and over on the right, you'll see that we can change active units. We just click in the drop-down box, and we change it to whatever we want. Most of the time in our class, we're going to use inches, so I'm in good already. However, if we want to make that a permanent change, we can go up here to our account settings and our preferences. We'll click on that and we'll say preferences. And then what we'll do is we'll go all the way down to default units, and we're looking for the design tab in default units toward the bottom. If we look over here, our default units for the new design are in inches right now, and we can set that. Then from here on out, after we close and open Fusion, we'll get those things to pop back up.